Congrats to all. National Tesfacyon and Team Eritrea wins today's fourth stage, longest with 206.3 kilometers, of 12th Tour du Rwanda 2020. National also retains yellow and youth jerseys in terms of cumulative points collected so far. National is the 13th Eritrean to win a Tour du Rwanda stage since the race turned international in 2009. Gingermay, another Eritrean, who started the day into the yellow jersey, lost significant time in stage 4 and has now dropped to 6th position in overall leaderboard. Team Eritrea still holds its position as best team in the last 4 stage of the Tour du Rwanda. Stage 5 departs Rubavu at 11 am on Thursday towards Musanze.